Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Meghalaya Indigenous Tribal Constitutional Rights Movement ka balong ka kunhun jong ki rang basnong bat ki seng balang baper jong ka jala kalarai ban pha ya ka jing ai jing mut sya ka subcommittee balathung da ka sarkar jala ban pendam no ya ka kentien unrepresented tribe na ka jing penbek thamai ya ka sixth schedule jong ka riti sansyar kari India. Ka subcommittee balathung da ka sarkar jala ka balashong ha ka jing yalang ha ka khat khandai tarik unai lor arajar khat khandai kalarai ban IT no ya ka jing ai jing mut sya ka standing committee balathung da ka yeng dorbar thau ain rajya sabha lengba ka sarkar jala onda kala dep ban shong byang ya ka jing yalang ka ban salong ha ka arfun re tarik unai lor mentau snem arajar khat khandai. Unong yalam jong ka Meghalaya Indigenous Tribal Constitutional Rights Movement uba Samuel Jorwa ubalong ru hajo kapor chairman jong ka North East Student Organization ha ka jing ekran bat kilat pathai kubor ulayatho baka Meghalaya Indigenous Tribal Constitutional Rights Movement ka persya jur ya ka jing penrung jong ka sarkar pedang ha ka jing penbek thamai ya ka sixth schedule jong ka riti sansyar kari India ya ka kentien unrepresented tribe bar hagaju kapor ulai thu bagidang don ru saki weipat kijing ai jingmut syaka subcommittee yaki bakani ka kanhun kan sa IT haka sin shong jingyalang kaban salong biang haka arpun reutarek unai lor arjar khat khandai.
So we had a very fruitful discussion, and we have been able to come up with many suggestions and reach a consensus, more importantly, on the various suggestions that were there. And the exercise is still going on, it is not yet over. So we intend to continue this on the next date that we have fixed, that is on the 26th. And only on the 26th, after we have finished and completed this exercise, will we make it public as to what these kind of recommendations are that we will be putting it up for the consideration of the Standing Committee of Parliament. We have discussed many of the issues, yes. And I would not be at liberty to tell you, what is the final outcome till we have finally finished the whole exercise. But yes, we did discuss for the unrepresented tribes also. See, what we are discussing right now is change of that presidential order is a completely different subject altogether. We are only discussing the proposed amendments that are there in the bill right now. Right? So these are the only things that is under our terms of reference, and we are discussing that. That is a completely different matter. What the discussions took place, that will be placed, for the benefit of the public after we have completed the exercise. Thank you.
Ai jengmut bani thel ki gimat ki ba ta ingi ka khum gani propose bill ban kaliang jungi ko bet krom mina ai ki jengmut sa ni committee tiada kaliang ki council lai biru la ai goi ka common proposal ka jongki bat ka ji akran hi ka biang kaya chakmat bat ba ha ka meeting ban wan kata ka arpun trek lai bo ka syam tayo in siapek pat betul kita kir recommendation ban ha jointly na kaliang sarkar yang jungi mobil krom bat ujur lagi just council bafero here bagi hak support ning standing committee nang ba kan long kanu ka men kanu tak apa yang interest dan yang snap terbang jungi tung kijai kun repa hang ning po ke propose bill ke bakta ning kongdo kedai ka jingbu juki ya village council bali municipal council nadu kong le kren di hendrai wala apo kan ka bill pemerintah kila island ba yang village council, municipal council, kenum penterikam apa Meghalaya tak hidup manterai kau kan. Di halor kani nilai akiran nilai pembek, bahkan kani propose bill original yang sarkar diaru dilabu kata provision bahkan ni kenum ketak kenum terikam apa Meghalaya tak hidup manterai kau kan apa mungkin mesti kau. Tigidan giwi kendor ru giwa ketak yang kacela jungi, bat yang kani kecik penyak yang election apa ki village dorbar dari dorbar senang ina ong ba kamdi banyak ing ba state election commission ready banyak ing ba council kani ru ila agree na kanya committee barki pun pat ki we mat ki rang kata ya yang ni kira pa ka ngila ai ki jingmut ki jungi bar arpun trik kan syai ki ta ki jingmut pat ki ban mi ka ni committee ban ha support ani standing committee Jabatan Haji semua. Kila bersyak kalau organi kajing terwah nak yang Sarkar India bagi kita represented tribes dan nominate the governor. Dia nak yang jungi government krom dan nak yang council hi kila orang ba ngim kwa akan tam ngani bagi benwengno yang kini kentien menominate iki unrepresented tribes. We council umdan unrepresented tribes ba ki terwah ban penrung. Henry ki penrung kini tang ko Garam Hills council berhasil. Di ban kalian jungi ru warga po ka 6 schedule ko remru amnan guru po ba governor nominate kita represented tribes. Yang kalian jungi hi bakane kamdan cingahap kamdan jidai iri apa ni ban kalian ka Sarkar India ban kalian komiti ru ikatho bagi di benbengno yang dikentin unrepresented tribes.
Sisa kibon ki issues ke bede yang ni ba nalor ki issues pami ya gane ka amendment jong sekchar. Kamtam ba hadin ba lale kumtu ya Kashmir hab bale ya ga article lais ba nyobo. Nagalia kamit krom ngidon ke jing smukhya ka ba khya ba ka jing su git khya ka ba khya ba mar balai ba kibon ki issues. Kamtam ga dik unrepresented tribes kadan kam ba ka government of India dengan correct India. It is not the government of Meghalaya, kadang the government of India. The proposal kadang one the government of Meghalaya, secara government of India. Ba hapo ka article 352 jongga constitution. Nomor presiden penbenaya kini under article 352(1) constitutional order kini da jong presiden. Sisen mula penbena mla ban pekelai ka wat da ka kodo. Bila cakot ban pa pengelar mla. Dan kam da ka act of parliament. Ya kan ka act of parliament have I suggestion ke state government to this conference. Dia kata hak jing sisa masuknat bagi tu pi bala aila di komit kraw. Bangin ai ka separate representation halor kati. Kata kati ke pasal dalam tan mo basam la sai bhai kata ngakwa ban assure ya pi ki press bad pai ba ki babun lamba jong pi. Banging ni sung tho ya ke jingya. Ni sung tho ya kan ni ke kam bangi hapan sim kya ya ka mendai tamba ka discount kan yo bon ke pisakin bon ki nom mat henry don kam pan scam ya ka tanrai ke jungi kum ka jat bedriu repai kam tam ka jat bedriu aje kmi ta ka dau sumha ban ap ya ka akun tere ngindang ya sok mo bara sam ngindang ya sok ngindang formulate ro ki bai ki ki bangin sa brief bi hadit aila ni ki dia aila ki kidon ki parlong baginya keren te tanggane pada nga syukwa ban bu happy kalong ba ya ka ka ba ong ka congress mane ka ba ya thu I ko iban ka to kade nomor ba kadon hi kajima lagi unrepresented tribes kadon ba kajima nomor play bon ni ki bala shuthap hangne kimlong indigenous kajinya yang i kalong ba ngi pada ngimde ki seru tribe mte ki state ki jong ki pada pi kamde put proko ki beri jongi ki sale ben tai ki myo di right ki myo ki ka status ki joki kum sel right rehangi pada ki yo ikini bat ki permi pada sakawe sakani problem kawe ke problem ke ba kalomba lamba kelenti ka ai zadam pengkalai kani la sai ni kan don pon ki jinge wat galon ada problem ka